Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about what tools do I use to track my portfolios, whether it's in crypto or traditional investments like stocks and bonds. So let's just go right into this. And yes, the one that I use, I just started investing in crypto about a few months now. And the first one I came across was CoinGecko, CoinGecko.com. And this is the first website I actually looked into where you can see all the crypto uh, ranking and so on. So this is my first one that I went to, and so of course when I started investing in crypto, I used their portfolio tracker. Okay, and it worked out for me. I mean, this is the thing that works out for me. I mean, you can use a spreadsheet like Excel, or Google has a spreadsheet also, but those type of tools are not for everybody. I know how to use Excel, but this is much better to you have everything online, and it just all you do is plug in the data, and it creates this awesome portfolio tracker for you. So this is one of my portfolios right here. Okay, as you can see, it has a nice color pie chart type thing, and then you have your graph. You see where how has your investment been doing for the last 7 days and now for the last month. Okay, of course some of it is because I'm also buying, so it's gonna keep going up because I'm buying. I'm very bullish and I'm buying. So, and of course, if you see here my this is what I so far done today on this portfolio. This is the balance, and this is the loss. A lot of this loss is because I bought Bitcoin back in late April. So I bought it when it was high. I bought some when it was high. That's why I'm down by quite a bit on that. And of course, I'm holding some of it. And I also bought some Dogecoin. Again, it was high. So go figure. All right. But overall, I'm doing okay. Yeah, so this is basically this is the investments here. As you can see by default, it sorts them out by your largest holding. So right now, AMP is the biggest holding that I have, a little over $1,400, 1476 to be exact. And Shiba Inu is right there, and Bitcoin, and so on. So this is a great way to track your investments, like for crypto, excuse me, on this one. And like I said, I have other ones, but I use CoinGecko. I like CoinGecko. It works for me, and it's free. You can't beat that. You can't beat free. Okay, so that's the portfolio tracker for CoinGecko.com. Now, of course, there's other ones, and this is the one a lot of people talk about too. Coin Market Cap, and right here you have a portfolio tracker there, so you can use that one. Of course, I do not have an account with Coin Market Cap because I'm using CoinGecko, so it works for me. But here it is. You can just create your portfolio, and you see how it looks here, and you see how it looks on your phone. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so that's another one that you can use for crypto to track your investments. Okay, crypto investments there. And then I just ran across this one recently, livecoinwatch.com. And again, it's similar to the other two. And you have your portfolio tracker right here. And of course, this one, they want you to make an account. Or you can use Facebook, Google, or Twitter if you want to log in through there. And you can create your portfolio tracker. Okay? So those are great tools for tracking your crypto. Whether you're starting out like me or you've been investing for a long time. Yeah, these are great tools to have just to track your investments. If you don't want to go the Excel spreadsheet route or your Google spreadsheet route and so on, you can use these sites. Okay, and it's just you're just putting in your holdings. You're not putting anything personal in there. It's not like you're putting your, your personal information. It's just to track your holdings. That's all it is. So if you're concerned about that privacy thing, that's not an issue. That's not an issue with that. There's no issue with that because you're only putting you're only making a spreadsheet. It's basically. And then also for stocks, oh, the ad popped up here. I use FinViz, financial visualizations. Excuse me, my pronunciation is a little off there. And this is a website I use to track my stocks and my stock investments or ETFs. I go here, okay, and they have a portfolio tracker right here. Okay, I'll click on it. I have made an account here. So this is one of my portfolios right here. And we have two of them there. And if you want to create a new one, you go here. Okay. And this is one of them right there. As you can see, it's sorted out in alphabetical order, but you can sort it out by gain percentage. Okay. So right now AT&T is is one of my biggest loser. Of course, the biggest gainer is Facebook. Okay, so you can see there. And the other thing, this one does have ads, which can be quite annoying. But they do have a premium service where you can just pay for it and it'll remove the ads and so on. But for my purposes, I just use the free one. It works for me and can't complain. And I just come in here. But anytime I buy a stock or sell, I go and edit, and I can update it there. If there's new stock, then you add a new row. Well, this one is full. That's the other thing. This one, the free version, is only limited to 50. Then you have to create another portfolio and do another, 50 and so on. That's why I have 1 and 2. Okay. So you just add another row. I'll show you number 2. Let's go to portfolio number 2. As you can see, that one is only up to 40. So that one I have 10 more. So I can add a row, and then I can put the symbol. And if I bought or sold the stock, the date, and how many shares, what was the price, and it can fetch today's price also. And you just after you do all that, you save changes, and that's it. Okay. So this is the one I use for stocks. Okay, let me go back to that. Okay, so this is the one I use for the stock investments. Okay, so I go to FinViz. This one has, you can pretty much any ticker symbol will be here except if it's fairly new. Like for example, I just bought Robinhood, and on the day of the IPO, when I bought Robinhood, and I put in the ticker symbol hood, it could not update that. So sometimes you have to wait a couple of days before FinViz updates the ticker for that one, and then I can plug that in there. So right now Robinhood is not in this portfolio because FinViz has not. Well, I'll do it sometime today. They should be updated by now because it's already been a couple of days since Robinhood IPO'd. Okay, so as you can see, that this is a great tool for that, and these are free. They're all free. Of course, this one again, you're gonna have ads pop up and so on, and if you can put up with that, that's fine. Or you can sign up for the premium version, which I don't think I need to do that. Okay, so again, just to recap, for crypto portfolio tracking, I use CoinGecko. Works for me. Okay, works for me. And for stocks, ETF, I use FinViz. Okay. So there you go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I'm going to provide, the more you like these videos, I'll try to provide more content like this. Just useful content that I believe that, like when I was looking for stuff like this, a lot of videos are just hyping up coins right now in crypto and all that. This channel is not going to be about that. I'm just going to try to give you some information to get you started. Just like how I got started. I only been doing this for a few months, and I feel like, you know what, I want to give back from what I learned. So thank you for watching, and like I said, please like the video, share the video, and like I said, please subscribe to my channel, and I can provide more videos like this to you. And again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.